beauty. There's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl. You make my dreams come true. Iba, 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 hey. Girl, you give me fever, hey. Iba, 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 hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. So looking at my hair right now, it is washed and it is 100% dry, and I already have some leave-in conditioner and all that good stuff on my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat my hair, and I'm using the Mary's beeswax, and this one is the black one. I prefer the other like the original one, the white one. It works better than the black one, but they're all the same to me. Like seriously, they all do the same job. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of gel just to help, you know, break down that thick beeswax. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of some hair extensions. I'm using the expression hair extensions, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding. So I'm just doing like a normal cornrow, you guys, because my hair is pretty thin, so I wanted the braid to stand out a little bit more, so that's why I'm using, you know, some extensions to make the braid stand out a little bit more. And yeah, if you're watching this video, you guys, and you haven't yet subscribed, please do click the subscribe button, you guys. I do appreciate your support. Like seriously, guys, you guys are amazing.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt.
I'm using water right now because my hair was completely dry, and using water as well will help the gel lay down your hair like as slick as possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Eco Style gel. I could not find the green one, you guys. You know the green one is the best, but this one works wonders just the same. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, detangle my hair using my Denman brush and my white tooth comb. And you want to make sure that you are very generous when you're doing this. As you can see, guys, my hair slicks down so easily and perfectly. I think it's because my hair is pretty thin, you guys, but my hair is 4C, bear in mind. So you need to be very heavy-handed when you're using the gel, and you need to use water as well so that your hair will slick down properly. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair down with a scrunchie, and just make sure that my hair is well flawless. Okay.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Cream of Nature Ripping Mousse. I ran out of my Laura body. Like seriously, my local beauty supply store didn't have any in stock, so yeah, I had to use this one. I'm just gonna make sure that my hair is slick. Okay. So the next thing that I'll do, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my scarf and tie my hair down, and I'm just using the blow dryer just to, you know, speed the process. Okay, but my hair is not completely dry, but it is looking good and healthy and thick, Hansi. Like, look at that, Hansi. The hair is well slicked down. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these clip-ins from Myfirstwig.com. So yeah, it's one of those companies that I actually love working with, and their hair is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the braid around my own ponytail, you guys, just to secure it.
Again, you make me feel so crazy. Still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you.
So the next thing that I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing the clip-ins. So as you can see, guys, I did just clip the first clip, like one clip. That's the only time I clip, you know, on my hair. The rest of them, they are not clipped in, and I'm using a little bit of the hair just to separate a little bit of some hair from the clip-ins and secure the clip in, like the weft. Like seriously, guys, this hairstyle I only use like one bobby pin, and as you can see, guys, I'm using my second piece. All in all, I did use only 3 pieces of the 6 pieces because I wanted it to look a little bit more natural. Okay, so this video, you guys, it is very self-explanatory, but yeah, I just wanted you to know, guys, that this hair is amazing. Clip-ins do blend so beautifully with my hair. I absolutely love the texture, and you know, these clip-ins were very effortless for me, like to install. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So yeah, make sure you guys visit myfirstwig.com and check out their website.
It's God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with his sound. I go repeat it for you. Baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl. You make my dreams come true. Iba, hey. Girl, you give me fever, hey. Iba, hey.
I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.